Okay. Greetings, everyone. So today we're going to hop on to the sixth experiment today. So the sixth experiment moves into hierarchical and network-based data visualization. So instead of simple trends, we're going to shift focus on how different categories of data are nested within one another, like a folder structure, and how they relate as a network. So we're going to start with importing the necessary required libraries. And the data set, we're going to type the data set here so that this is used for these things so that there's no necessity to import the data sets. So this px.tree map here. So we're going to start plotting the tree map. So this creates a rectangular chart where the area of each box represents the amount of sales, such as categories, subcategories, and products, the values and titles. So the path argument defines this part argument. This defines the argument defines the hierarchy, where the large boxes contain smaller subcategory boxes, which also contains the product boxes. And after doing all this, we just use this fig.show, which shows the plotted graph. So the sunburst chart here, we're gonna hop to this next. So px.sunburst. This means this function exactly like the tree map, the previous thing tree map here. So uses the same thing, but uses a circular layout. So the center circle is the root category. As we progress for outward to the outer rings, the data becomes more specific with respect to the products. And so the next here is we're going to hop to the uh, this thing node graph thing. So we're going to shift from sales data to structural diagram, showing how different plots are connected. So this here, this edges entirely. So this entirely defines the relationship each pair represents. So within the parent and child node. So G is equal to nx dot diagram. So this creates a directed graph, which means the connections have a specific direction that is from start to end. So the position here, pos is equal to nx dot spring layout of G. So this uses a mathematical algorithm to position the nodes so they aren't all overlapping onto each other, making the web easier to read. So this is nx dot draw here, and this code entirely so actually draws a circle as nodes and arrows links the circles, each circles on the screen. So after this, we're gonna hop on to this, the trees, another thing. This is the tree map. So this uses for this we import the data set, the Instagram data set. So that Instagram data set is imported into this variable, df variable. So this is where all the things are contains all the data is contains from the data set. So we're gonna plot onto each thing and we're gonna show this. So we're gonna run this. Okay, so this is the graph. So this is the sunburst graph. So it is easy. This is an interactable thing. So yeah, this is how it works. And this is a tree map. Yeah, this is that's it. Thank you.